Hello everyone, my name is David Tucker and welcome to the course Git Administration. I am a cloud consultant that helps organizations plan, build, and implement custom software in the cloud. I have over 15 years of experience in software architecture and development. And I know that while there are many options for managed Git services, some organizations cannot leverage these services for security or intellectual property restrictions. In addition, some developers just want the ability to configure all aspects of their version control solution instead of paying for a commercial solution. In this course, Git Administration, you will learn to implement and manage your own Git server. First, you will learn more about Git and how it can be configured to communicate remotely. Next, you will configure SSH access and manage users for your Git server. Finally, you will configure HTTP access for your Git server and give users a way to view their repositories on the web. When you're finished with this course, you will have all the skills and knowledge to install, configure, and manage a Git server for your organization or for your own personal projects.